stressed,
Okay.
nervous, scared, scared for what our future holds.
Yeah, very scared, especially for my children's future.
I guess I feel worried like a lot of people.
Worry for our country.
Overwhelmed, stressed.
It comes in waves. It's a little bit of anxiety.
It's definitely a strange time.
It's tragic, that's for sure, with everything going on.
Family of 8, struggling and trying to make ends meet.
My husband's not working and I'm working, but it's not quite enough.
I'm trying to stay calm.
Trying to maintain balance, and we're just going day by day.
Unable to find a lot of things that you need.
It's scary. Trying to go and stay away from people and not touch too many things.
We're out of hand soap at home and we've had a hard time finding it. Tried to order it for pickup at a couple of stores and it's been out. So I just came to get some hand soap today.
Just help my family out getting some free laundry soap. It's not just for me, but for my family as well, extended.
This is so gracious, and our family alone is so grateful to be able to come here and get these products.
Thank you. Just thanks for the dedication and the hard work.
This little bit helps a lot.
It helps a lot for families that struggle through this time.
I appreciate it all, that's for sure. You guys are doing it. I appreciate every bit of it.
Thank you. We all appreciate it very much.
I appreciate this so much. My family appreciates this. It's such a kind gesture, something you can do for your community.
Oh my gosh, you guys are absolutely amazing. Our community relies on you. We're depending on you guys.
Thank you so much and I appreciate that not only are you giving out free soap, but you're also paying it forward by giving donations to charities in the community. So thank you very much.
Hey friends, Stephen here. In the past couple weeks that we've just started Free Soap Fridays, we've served hundreds of families right here in our local community with non-toxic laundry soap and hand soap for free. And we've learned this: you're not alone. Although we are living in very, very uncertain times, I want to encourage you, do not succumb to fear. It's gonna be okay. We will get through this. In fact, we are getting through this as a global community. And remember this, your friends here at mygreenfills.com will walk with you every single step of the way in any way that we can. We'll talk to you soon, friends. Bye for now.